Okay, I got Miss Ebony here, one of our clients, and we're going to do her interview just so you guys can see how some of our credit services work. How you doing today, Miss Ebony?
I'm great. How are you, Joe? It's good to
Awesome,
see you.
awesome, awesome. You as well. So the first question is, what was your financial situation like before starting our credit repair program?
Well, what I would say is I struggle a lot with understanding my credit, why it was going up and down, what caused it to increase and decrease. I
Right,
tried to do it myself, but I was unsuccessful. So my score kept fluctuating a lot.
right. Got you, got you. So what specific challenges did you encounter with your credit score?
One of the challenges I encountered was getting inaccurate things disputed, getting things
Right.
that was over 7 years old disputed, and just understanding how the delinquency even came about.
Right, got you, got you. And a lot of people do struggle with those things as well. What was the process like when you started with us?
I gotta be honest, it was like dry throat. It was very easy. You guys did your interview, your consultation with me, asked me what my goals were, what was the credit score I
Right,
was trying to get to, what my challenges were, and it was more dealing with a business, but it was more dealing with a family. Like it's a business, but you made me feel like at home. So when I came to you
right.
guys, it was like 1, 2, 3, and there you go. And I'm gonna say in about some say 30 days, but I really got to be honest, within 15, 20 days, might have been 30, but I want to say before 30, I've seen a couple of things drop off my credit.
Awesome, awesome. That was going to be my next question. So that's perfect that you
Oh,
said that.
okay.
Yeah, about 15 to 20 days before it dropped off. Um, can you share any specific improvements that you saw on your credit with working with
I
us?
definitely can. Actually, I've had some charge offs dropped off my credit. I've had
Nice.
some, like I said, delinquencies dropped off my credit. I've had I think it was like a $700 credit card balance
Hmm.
that went into default that shouldn't have been into default, came off my credit.
Nice.
The most important impressive thing I said, and I would say it again, I think when I started with you guys, I was in the low 400s. I
Uh-huh.
am already mid 500s, almost probably about maybe 60 points from 600, if I'm not
Right, right.
mistaken. So that
Nice.
was some of the specific things that I seen. And I gotta say, Revenue Financial jumped in and cleaned it up.
Awesome. Awesome. That's awesome. So last question. What did you appreciate most about the whole process of working with us and getting your credit clean?
The most important thing, Joe, I would like to say to you and your team, first and foremost, because I haven't had an opportunity to say it, is thank you. There wasn't an automated service. There wasn't a send an email and you get an automated respond. I had
Right.
direct contact. I had a team member, if not yourself, contact me directly. If I reached out within an hour or so, you guys reach back out. Now, mind
Right.
you, you guys have families as well, but it was never a long period of a 24-hour period that I didn't hear from you guys if I had a question. So that
Right.
one-on-one personal experience, that one-on-one when I call you, I don't have to talk to an automated service. I actually talk to a live representative or a live team member. And if I had
Right.
any questions and didn't understand it, you guys took your time and made sure I understood the entire process.
Awesome. That's so good to hear. And I really appreciate you. It was a pleasure working with you on your credit. And, I definitely look forward to continuing to work with you on building that credit out,
Absolutely.
getting to that 750 plus. So thank you so much. And like I said, I look forward to continue working with you.
Absolutely. Thank you guys so much for helping me get myself to where I'm trying to be. And for sure, if you want your credit cleaned up and you're looking for someone more of not like a business, but more like a personal, but very professional, Revenue Financial is your place to go. Thanks,
Thank
Joe.
you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.